Hi and welcome to another how-to video from us here at AST Limited, home of the Fastime stopwatches range. In this video we'll be showing you how our Fastime 28L stopwatch works. The Fastime 28L is a professional stopwatch with enhanced visibility and bright backlight. The 28L builds upon the popular Fastime 28 by adding a bright backlight for low light conditions. Designed for ease of use, it features a rugged, splash-resistant case and the signature jumbo digits that make the 28 series a favourite among coaches and timekeepers. The split reset button we shall refer to as button C. The mode button we will refer to as button A. And the start-stop button we will refer to as button B. Press B to start. Press B to stop. Press B to continue, press B to stop, and press C to reset. Press B to start. Press C to take a split. The cumulative internal timing continues. Press C to release. Press B to stop, and press C to reset. Press B to start. Press C to take and show the first finish time. The internal timing continues. Press B to stop the second finish time. Press C to show the second finish time. And press C to reset. Press A to move to the time of day date display. Hold B to display date and day. Press C to display the alarm. Hold C and B to turn the alarm on and off. The alarm icon will show when the alarm is on. In the time of day mode, press A 3 times. The seconds digit will start flashing. Press C to select the data, hours, minutes, seconds, date, month, and so on. Press B to set the data. Hold B for quick scroll. Press A to confirm. In the time of day mode, press A twice. The hour digit will start flashing. Press C to select the data. And press B to set the data. Again, holding for quick scroll. Press A to return to the time of day mode. This watch also features a strong backlight. The light button is on the bottom. The light will display for several seconds. We've included a link to the downloadable instructions in the description box below. You can also contact us via our website if you have any queries. Thanks for watching.